So, dun yung kuha na ng towels. Tapos, both side merong pool bar. Coral and Oasis. Kami dun mamaya sa beach. For now, magka-coffee muna kami. This is the lobby. Dun yung lobby. Dun ka mag-check-in, check-out. And then, this is the restaurant. Al-Andalus. Ayan. So, we're going there sa the Pearl. Sa loob niya may sports bar. Doon kami kukuha ng coffee. Tapos, ayun ang RIU. Yan. Tapos, ito yung isang pool bar. What's this? Coral. Then, the other one is their Oasis. So, dun muna tayo banda. Kasi hindi pa tayo makapunta dun, love. Punta tayo dun. Hello. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are here in Riu, their island hotel resorts here in Dubai. So, yan, samahan nyo kami. So, ayun guys, dito kami sa Riu ngayon, and as I was saying earlier, we arrived here yesterday. After work, diretso na ako dito kasi yung kasama ko nauna na, and check-in time nila is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but we have purchased the all-inclusive package. So if you purchase all-inclusive package, you can come here earlier before 3 o'clock, and then you can just tell them that you are booked for the day, and they can allow you to check in earlier, and they will give you a badge already, like ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Tada, like this. This means you purchase the all-inclusive. Hi Kuya, good morning. You check in earlier before 3 o'clock. Tapos libre kasi all-inclusive package yung binili namin. So breakfast, lunch, dinner inclusive na siya. Tapos you can use all the facilities here. Yung ano nila, yung gym, pool bars, water world, water sports, and everything. Char. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga facilities na meron sila, and restaurants din. Lahat ng restaurants nila, all-inclusive except for those restaurants na you have to pre-book before going there. Kasi yung ibang restaurant naman, you can walk in, but they have all different schedule. So, as of now, babalik na kami dun sa loob for breakfast, siguro. Then, breakfast, and then we'll just chill out. And then, we're going to the pool and the pool bar. Mag-early check out. And then, mag-stay kami dito for some time. Kasi para naman ma-enjoy natin yung all-inclusive ng bonggang-bongga. And babalik na kami sa loob. Ang ganda ng Riu. So, ayun yung Tower A. And this is the Tower B. Yung gitna niya. Babalik kami dito sa Coral later. Kasi dun sa Oasis, pwede din namin try. So, later na lang. Doon kami galing kanina. Doon yung sports bar. Then, doon yung Spike. Doon dapat kami pupunta kagabi, pero nakatulog na kami. And this is the Oasis. Go. Mamaya super full pack na to. Lalo na Saturday. No oras siya bukas? 8 o'clock ata. Here. Yan. 8 o'clock yung ano niya. Bukas niya. 1900 yung closing. Yan. Tapos bawal yung mga bata dun sa borderline. Ay, borderline. Kasi dito yung pwedeng mag-inom ng alcohol. Then, Ayun yung isa nilang restaurant. Doon. The Moon. Andun siya. Kasama din siya sa list of restaurants nila na you have to book for reservation. Then, after that, meron silang isa pang swimming pool doon. Titignan natin. And yung water park. May water park din sila dito. Ah! Dito ata pwede mag-ano, love. Yung mga kayak. Ayan. Puntahan natin yon kasi kahapon dun lang kami sa may ano eh, sa Coral. Ayun na yung water park niya. Mga slides. Ayun. Oh, we can go there na pala. Sa may entrance. Tawag ng water park nila is Splash. Parang sa may ano, Laguna lang. May Splash Laguna, di ba? So, ayan. Splash. Ah, tas dito din yung Rio Land. Ito yung nakita ko kahapon si Kabayan. Sinasamahan niya yung mga ano, bata. Dito din yung Rio Fit. Oh! Ayan. Makita ko lang sa inyo. So, ayan na. Ayan na siya. Splash Water World. Yun na yan. So, more on pang kids siya. Pero pwede din daw ata yung adults. Ah, dun siguro yung adults. Tapos dito yung pang bata. Yan. Pag all-inclusive ka, kasama na rin to. Wala siyang bayad sa stay mo dito. Then, this is the Rio Land. This is for children. Yan. Para lang siyang small playground. Yeah, pang family niya. Sinabi ko. Yan. So, the Splash Water World is open sa 10 a.m. And today's Saturday, so it's open. Try natin siya later. You know, may slide doon. We'll try it later. Tapos, this is Rio Fit. Ah, dito sila nag-activity for, ano, yung mga fitness, exercise, gano'n. Yan o. Yun o. Laki ng mga slides. We're gonna try that later. And then, yun na. Punta tayo sa other side. Sa labas naman. For mga activities. Na, prepare na yung mga tao kasi mag-o-open na yung mga ano, pang-activities pa. And then, this is the Tower A. Doon kami nakastay sa Tower B. Yan, Tower A. Malaki din pala to kasi madami siyang tower. Tower A, Tower B. That's yung sa center. Okay. So, they have another one. Dito, Rio Art. Yan. Ano naman to? Workshops. Workshops siguro. Nakasarado pa siya eh. So, we cannot see pa sa inside. Ayan, outfit natin. Diba? Ganda-ganda. Sponsored by Ate Jen. Yan. And then, this is the pool. Ito, common ano na siya. Common pool na siya. Kasi dun sa Oasis and Coral kanina, they both are pool bars. Yan. Morning! Yan. Naglilinis na sila kasi dadating na yung mga tao. Yan. So, I think medyo parang masarap mag-swim dito mamaya kasi yung sa pool bar ang liit lang. So, ayan na. Water Sports Center. So, they have scuba water sports, pedal boat, kayak, floating lounge chair, and stand-up paddle. Can we try? Yeah, I think may nakasulat dun sa ano natin, package, kayak and something. So, ayan. Sarado pa siya. Open from 9 o'clock. So, we can check it later and tingnan natin. Ayan. Gusto namin try yun. We're going to try the stand-up paddle. Gusto na try naman na natin to. Ayan. Tapos, we're going here. Ah, okay. So I think that is different hotel na. So may neighbor silang hotel dito which is Centera. Tama? Centara. It's not Centera. Centara. So yeah, I think they have other facilities also there. And I think this is the end of Rio. Malaki din yung property nila. Kasi ito na yung dulo. Dito kami sa pinakadulo, which is the water sports. Tapos ayan, may beach volleyball din sila. I think beach volleyball is 10 o'clock. And tadan! Ayun yung Rio. Yeah. So ayan. Ayan ang Rio. Kita nyo na? Okay. So dito kami ngayon sa may initan. Ayan. Yung dagat na kasi. So, yun nga. So, pinakadulo niya dito is yung water sports na side. And, ayan. Nasa tabing dagat na tayo, guys. Yesterday kasi nakita ko to. Sabi ko, I want to go there. Kasi nga, parang ang kalma ng tubig. So, this island actually is Dera Islands. Kung nasan kami. And, it's like an man-made island, of course. So, ayan. Sobrang kalmado ng tubig. Wala kang makikitang waves. So, ayan. So, makikita nyo dito sa likod ko. So, from there sa dulo, hanggang dun pa sa pinakadulo dun, it's a Rio property. Wala pa kami nakikitang tao. Kami lang. Kasi yun, may tumatakbo. So, as of now, it's 7:38 a.m. Nag-coffee lang kami and we were planning to have breakfast by 7:30 kasi nga 7:30 open yung restaurant for breakfast. Pero as of now, wala pa din katao-tao because I think tulog pa sila from the party last night. So, yung sinasabi ko kanina, schedule of events ito. So, they have the Rio Fun, Rio Fit, and Rio Land. Rio Land is for the kids. So, yun, mga activities na meron sila. Makikita nyo to dito sa my lobby. This is their lobby. Yan. Yung lobby nila. And that's me. And that's the front desk. So, yan. Diyan ka mag-check and check out. This is the lobby. Yan. And that's the restaurant. We're going there for the breakfast. Okay. So, here's the Andalus restaurant. That's where we're going. This is their dinner, their breakfast timings. And hi, good morning. So, this is my breakfast. Not all of this. Lagi ko lang dyan. And I'm going to have some green tea here. And infused water. And that's where the buffet is. Yan. And we're going to have our breakfast now. This is the Pearl. Maaga ba ata? Madaming pumarty kagabi. Ayan. Empty pa siya kasi as of now 6:55. So we're going to ask for coffee here. Ayan. Tapos ayun yung view. Tapos doon yung sports bar. Lipat tayo din lang. Ayan. Here's the bar. And here's the sports bar. Ayan. They have snacks here. Dito sa sports bar, mga snacks lang siya. So, ayun yung snacks. So, sandwich, fruits, chicken, bread. And for now, it's early breakfast. Kaya, ang breakfast yung food. Then, we have here, small bunch of tables and chairs. And the TV and the, this one. The billiard. And then, the view will be there. Sobrang ganda ng view dun sa labas. Ito ko kayo later. Ayan. Meron ditong kiddie fan something. And bababa lang siya. Then, dun yung mga pang kids. And dito ang mga pang adults. And kids also. Kasi may mga bata naman. So, yun, parang 4 ba? Or 5 obstacles ang meron. Ayan. Ayan lang. May pang kids. So, din kami tatambay. Yung kami ko. Ayan na, tatry na namin yung slides. Punta na kami doon. Tapos na kami dito. So, we're going to paddle. Here now. Yeah. Kasi 11 o'clock. Ay, hindi. May oras pa tayo. Must try to. It's not only for kids, but also for adults. Pero, yung kulay red, di na namin siya trinay kasi straight lang naman siya. Trinay lang namin yung apat kasi may obstacle siya.